Bronchitis. Introduction. Bronchitis is an inflammation of the bronchial tubes. Select true or false. Correct. Does chronic bronchitis generally go away? Select yes or no. Correct. Chronic bronchitis is an ongoing condition. Which of the following is the most common cause of chronic bronchitis? Choose one of the following options. 1. Smoking. 2. Dust. 3. Chemical fumes. Correct. Acute bronchitis usually happens after you already have a cold or the flu. Select true or false. Correct. Complications from bronchitis happen mostly in middle-aged men. Select true or false. Correct. Complications from bronchitis affect children and older adults the most. Pursed lip breathing is one way to cure bronchitis. Select true or false. Correct. Pursed lip breathing is a method used to relieve the symptoms caused by bronchitis. It is not a cure. All of the following measures are important for preventing bronchitis. Which is the most important measure? Choose one of the following options. 1. Eat healthy foods. 2. Exercise regularly. 3. Quit smoking or don't start smoking. Correct. If you smoke, stop right away. If you don't smoke, then try to avoid secondhand smoke. Thank you for using Explain.